Hello everyone, it's Gemini Jets 9715 here, and it's crazy how I record this at 7 in the morning on Christmas morning, and I'm still up. I haven't essentially slept in a couple of good hours, 5 actually to be exact. Sorry, that was my sister. Be funny. So this is my first Gemini jet. Not my first Gemini jet, but my first Gemini jet this Christmas. And the plane is the Delta Airlines Boeing 777-200LR in the 2007 colors. The registration of the aircraft is November 704 Delta Kilo. Just want to check if that's correct. And that is correct. So, and this is the Delta Airlines and Delta Airlines livery. It is 232 series of the aircraft. That's the customer code of Boeing. Is the 32. For American, it would be 23. For United, it would be 24, I believe, or 21. Depends on which one they're using. So the box is the same Gemini Jets box you see all the time. The release of this aircraft was made in 2013. So I got this like towards the end of the year. I didn't actually know this was a I didn't know it was in that release or not. Forgetting which release it was in. I don't know. I'll figure it out, however. So the box is the same Gemini Jets box you get all the time. It's basically the same. 777. And, info, we know all this info. Range is 9,450 miles. And, basically, this is a very cool, very neat aircraft. This is the flagship of Delta Airlines. Let me move the plane to there. Yeah, it's zippity-doo-dah-day. I need docking to focus. Zippity-doo-dah-day, please focus. I'm not touching you, camera. I just got this camera today, so... So this is the nose of this Delta Airlines 777, and on it is the Sky Team logo and the L1 boarding door. Then you have the Delta Airlines logo above the first class cabin. Then you have the L2 boarding door, and then you have the start of the business class cabin, the 2 GE engines that power for those 9,450 miles that it is capable of holding for a range fully loaded. And then I'll zoom in for the registration. And it is N704DK, as I correctly stated. And then the Delta Airlines tail, which is quite the magnificent tree as well. It's wonderful colors of ruby and red. This is a beautiful plane. I recommend, if you haven't gotten this, I know I'm late on it, but get it. This plane is nice. I'm going to deploy it on the Marblewood International to Milan route. Hopefully I got that one right. Or the Paris route that I just announced, the 747. I may bring my 747 up to my room and just have it there. So, this is Gemini Jets 9715 at 7 o'clock around 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Christmas morning. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll be probably recording later as well. You'll see this plane in the update for the airport and a bunch more model reviews, I hope. And have a great day. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And yeah. And happy holidays from my little dog. She's not little. So this is Gemini Jets 9715. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and have a fun day today. Hope everyone has a fun holiday. And Merry Christmas. See you later. Bye.